During the hours of daylight, you surely breathe in vital statistics. This is infused into surroundings. Right breathing habits are critical for clarity of thoughts, and while often applied, the consequences will continually enhance your personal well-being. Recall to focus your interest on breathing consciously. This indicates listening to the method by way of directing your breath into the bottom of your lungs and shifting the diaphragm out of the inhale and in on the exhale. To function at premier ability, you should hydrate your gadget by ingesting at the least quarts of properly smooth, non-fluorinated water each day to refuel your cells and flush out any toxic substances. Water is likewise a conductor of power, and a well-hydrated body will more effortlessly accommodate the increase of cosmic electromagnetic frequencies that need to be integrated. You will sleep better and feature much more power when you drink masses of water. Regardless of what beliefs you profess, processed meals with chemical additives. The quality of your breath is connected to the amount of respiration you do in natural sunlight. During the hours of daylight, you definitely breathe in important facts that is infused inside the surroundings. Properly, respiration habits are important for readability of thoughts, and when frequently carried out, the consequences will usually decorate your personal well-being. The body is surprisingly adaptable. The genome is continually actively engaged in responding to your necessities by changing and learning to carry out new obligations in order to preserve the body's operability. Existence, pressure energy sustains you, and the electromagnetic codes, the style for healing your frame, are on your genes. Even though your thoughts and feelings have immense power to set power into motion. On a physical level, the cells of your frame require smooth, loving care to maintain support of the bodily device. Your cells, blood supply, and organs are all affected by what you eat, the water you drink, the exhalant of the air you breathe, and the amount of your sunlight publicity. However, activities to beautify your health must also be followed by using ideals on your own self-fee. The purest oxygen and the best natural food by myself will not heal a diseased frame under siege by means of ideals of unworthiness.